Today we will discuss electric discharge machining, EDM. So EDM, the removal of the material is based upon the electric discharge erosion, that is generally known as EDE effect of electric spark, that is occurring between two electrodes that are separated by a dielectric liquid. So here we have a tank. In this tank, dielectric fluid is filled, and the main function of the dielectric fluid are it flushes the eroded particles from the machining gap, and it provides the insulation between the electrode and the workpiece, and cool the section that was heated by the discharging effect. And the main requirement of EDM dielectric fluids are it has adequate viscosity, low cost, good electric discharge efficiency, high flash point, good oxidation stability, minimum odor. So for most EDM operations, kerosene is used with certain additives that prevent gas bubbles and deodoring. This is a fixture, and on which workpiece anode is mounted. This is a pipeline goes towards the pump, and this is a filter that is generally used to remove the debris that are remain in the fluid and supply the filtered dielectric fluid to the tank and through the electrode. And this is a flushing nozzle. This is the graphite or copper electrode, and normally negative charged and cathode. Metal with high melting point and good electric conductivity are usually chosen as tool material for EDM. So generally graphite is most common electrode material. Since it has fair wear characteristics and is easily machinable, and small flush hole can be drilled into graphite electrode. And copper has good EDM wear and better conductivity. And copper graphite is good for high machining rate as well as low electrode wear, and it has better electrical conductivity than graphite, while the corner wear is higher. So these are some specifications for choosing the electrode for EDM. So from here the electric is supplied through the electrode from the filter, and this is a feed, generally tool feed servo control unit. It is feed is provided from the servo control unit, which maintains a constant machining gap that ensures the occurrence of the active discharge between two electrodes. And this is the DC plus pulse generator. The power supply is responsible for supplying the pulses at a certain voltage, current, on time, off time, and a series of voltage pulses of magnitude about 20 to 120 volt and frequency on the order of 5 kHz is applied between two electrodes, which are separated by a small gap. Generally here is the small gap between this electrode and this workpiece, that is approximate 0.01 to 0.5 mm. And when using this DC pulse generator, the voltage pulses are responsible for the material removal, and metal removal takes place as a result of generation of extremely high temperature and generated by high intensity discharges that melt and evaporate two electrodes. So here we can see these are the spark that are generated with the help of DC pulse generator. These are the spark, and this is the dielectric fluid that is coming out through pump and then followed the filter and through the flushing nozzle. And flushing of the dielectric, this is the dielectric fluid, and flushing of the dielectric that plays a major role in maintenance of stable machining and the achievement of close tolerance and high surface quality. And one thing is important here: inadequate flushing of the dielectric in arcing that decrease the electrode life and increase the production time. So here this is the tool, this is the workpiece, and this is the spark. And material removal rate in EDM, metal is removed from both. So here metal is removed from both workpiece and tool electrode, and MMR material removal rate depends not only the workpiece material but on the material of tool electrode and machining variables such as pulse conditions, electrode polarity, and the machining medium. So in this regard, a material of low melting point has a high metal removal rate and hence a rough surface. So here are some applications of electric discharge machining: EDM drilling, EDM showing, machining of dies and mold, and machining of spear and wire EDM. So again I want to repeat the process. This is the workpiece, this is the tool electrode, and this is the DC plus generator that producing the voltage, and after producing the pulses, so there is a spark generation is here, and this is the below the spark there is a crater, and this is flushing nozzle generally supply the dielectric fluid, and it is moving towards the pump and then through the filter, and after removing the debris from the dielectric, it again flowing through the flushing nozzle and through the tank. This is the process that we have discussed today, EDM. And if you have any query, so you can ask by commenting. Subscribe to get more updates, and Universe 22. You may like, share and comment, and give your suggestions if required. Thank you. Have a nice day.